Full Throttle Profits Review. Hi there, Prakash here from prakashcvs.com. Welcome to my Full Throttle Profits Review. I'm here inside the members area of Full Throttle Profits. During this video, I will be giving you a demo and a quick run through of what is inside the members area, and I will be telling you some basics of how to build a list also. So in a nutshell, Full Throttle Profits is an info course which will be teaching you how to build a huge list of around 100 plus leads per day on complete autopilot. So this is a very innovative system. It's called ClickBanking, and it's a very innovative system by which you can build your leads every single day. This happens by trading traffic with other members of Full Throttle community. So it's basically an exchange of clicks between two or three members or within the group of this ClickBanking community, and you will be exchanging these particular clicks, and you will be getting leads into your funnel. So this is about the entire concept of ClickBanking. So Full Throttle Profits is definitely newbie friendly, and you can make a lot of money by also running this traffic into an affiliate offer. And first, after building a list, you can also send this list. You can also send these people to some affiliate offer, and you can definitely make some money out of the whole in the bargain. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, just click on the link in the description below, and which will take you to my bonus page, which looks something like this. And just scroll down this button below, scroll down this page, and you'll be seeing a lot of these yellow buttons here. Just click on this yellow button. This will take you to the sales page, which looks something like this, and here you can just get instant access to this particular Full Throttle Profits. So you will be getting access to this, and I will be discussing about the price and all a little later. So what you will be getting is, when you click this link, you will be getting, and this link will be live as of 11:45 a.m. on the 10th of November, and this is going to cost you around 11.95 US, and you're also getting a discount of $5, $7, so you can just get the whole thing for just around under $5. So it's a massive what do you call a discounted price for this particular info course, and I'll be going through and showing you what is all about this. I definitely don't want you to miss out on the bonuses that I have put in for you, and I just wanted to take you to the bonuses I have put. So the bonus number one, what you're going to get is,
how would you like to get 100 or more free leads every day, even if you have no list or business right now? Would you like that? Of course you would. Then listen up closely, because you're in for a treat. And believe me when I say this, you will never find this method anywhere else, because it's exactly the same method top affiliates use in their secret groups. You know, the groups you're never invited in. But hang tight to your seat, because I'm about to reveal these tricks right now. I discovered the one thing everyone needs to finally start building an exponential traffic network. This method allows people to get free and fresh traffic all day long. The concept is fairly simple. It's done in 3 easy steps. First, you trade the clicks with other marketers by using a super simple method. Second, this creates an exponentiality of traffic growth. And 3, you can get 100 or more free leads per day. And the solution to get these 100 free leads every day and make it profitable for you is right here. Presenting the Full Throttle Profits ClickBanking Group and Coaching Program. It includes access to our secret ClickBanking group, and you also get training that is made to get you 100 or more free leads per day without social posting or traffic apps. It's a complete 3-part training. It has 13 videos, and you'll see it's super easy. Any beginner can do this. Plus, you'll also get these 2 bonuses for free. Bonus number 1. You'll get a complete email marketing training that is made to work with this system and method. Inside, I will show you how to set up your email lists and get a superior click distributing power, making you more money. Now for bonus number 2, you'll get 10 free bridge pages and 10 free swipes that will multiply clicks with our ClickBanking method and system. These 10 free bridge pages and free swipes will help you triple your daily clicks or more. And they've been carefully crafted to help you generate tons of free daily clicks. You can use them in your rotators, in your blogs, in your websites, in your email messages, in social media, as opt-in redirections. The sky is the limit. Now, it would have been easy for me to make this a separate one-time offer and charge an extra $97 just for this priceless bonus, but I truly believe I can help you more by simply giving them to you at no extra cost. Like that, you can triple or more your daily clicks without the extra costs. And by this, I mean more money in your pocket. It's no secret that as an internet marketer, your main focus needs to be on getting leads 100% of the time, and to try to save as much money as you can to make as much profits as you can. And you can do this by trading clicks with members of our private group and community on complete autopilot. So ideally, you should not be spending your time on creating websites, creating products, creating endless funnels, writing sales copy. Instead, you could be trading clicks with our members, building your traffic network practically for free, and scaling up. Listen, I'm just like you, and I know you're looking for something that actually works. And that's easy enough that anyone can do it. You're looking for something that can make you money right away. I know, and you know exactly what you need by now. This is why our Full Throttle ClickBanking Profit System will help you achieve your goals of finally building a list effortlessly and make money online like you should. At the end of the day, it's just a matter of replicating what top marketers are doing. And it's by trading clicks with other like-minded marketers like you that you can get 100 or more free and fresh leads every day. I know you want to get tons of free leads as soon as possible, and now you have the solution right in front of you. You owe it to yourself to succeed. It's that easy to get 100 or more free leads per day when you have the right method. And all you need to do to get instant access is click below this video right now. And I'll see you on the inside.
Yeah, the bonus number 1, what you will be getting here is sorry, the bonus number 1, yeah, 3 traffic sources to build your list fast. So what you can do is you will be getting 3 extra sources of traffic, and these sources are of course free traffic sources, and you can build your list in another way also. So this is your first bonus. Bonus number 2 is you will be getting 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. This is your bonus number 2. Bonus number 3 is the secrets of a $70,000 coaching. So this is a course where you'll be learning the secrets of coaching. And the bonus number 4 is you will be getting how to make a squeeze page. So basically you have to run your traffic to a squeeze page, which will help you build the list. So here we'll be getting a full-fledged info course on how to make a squeeze page. And the bonus number 5 is the vendor bonuses. These are the bonuses the vendor has given me to give it to you to make the offer even more lucrative. So the bonus number one the vendor has given me is done for you. Click multiplying pages plus 10 promotional swipe. Bonus number two is free access to our Click Banking group. Bonus number three is free training on email marketing. Bonus number four is free training on rotators and opt-in tracking. This is a very important concept of using rotators. So this is very useful here. So free training on rotators and opt-in tracking. So you're getting all these bonuses along with my bonuses here and along with the product. So only for $5 and 100% free of charge. Even if you pick up the front end, which just costs you around $5. So to get these bonuses and all the vendor bonuses and my bonuses, all you have to do is just click the link in the description below. That will take you to my bonus page where you can access. You can click on any of these yellow buttons here, and it will take you to the sales page, and there you can access this particular product. Now, once you have done that, now the question will come. Once you have purchased, where do you get your bonuses? All the vendor bonuses are available in the members area, and my bonuses you will be getting it. You will be going through a Warrior Plus payment gateway, and the moment you finish your payment, all your payment formalities, you will be taken to a page which looks something like this. On the top hand right corner, you will find a button which says username or your affiliate ID will be printed here. Just click on that button. There'll be a drop down menu. Just click down on this purchase history. It will take you to a page where you can find hyperlink which says your full throttle profits. Click on that hyperlink and it will bring you to a page like this, and here you click on the green button, you can access your purchase. Down below is a blue button. When you click on this, it will take you to your to the bonuses page. So all the bonuses are waiting for you there. All you have to do is click the link in the description below, and that will take you to my bonus page. From there you can access this product. So let me just run through the OTOs which this particular offer has got for you. OTO number one is, or the upsells is, Click Booster plus 5 free bonuses which cost you around $27, and the downsell at for $17. Click Booster is a click multiplying software that will get your clients and students 2x, 5x or even 10x daily clicks from their leads. So OTO number two is 100 done for you email swipes, and OTO 3 is agency license for Click Booster. Here OTO number 4 is a Facebook free traffic loophole, and OTO number 5 is multiple Aweber's hack at $97, and OTO number 6 is full throttle profits commission boost which costs you around $197 US. So these are all the OTOs, and of course you can just come at your own time and read this whole thing yourself. I don't want to take much of your time here. So basically what I want to tell you is it is done in 4 easy steps. Sign up at a discounted offer, follow the full throttle profits training, trade clicks with members of our free traffic community, and get 100 plus free leads per day you have been waiting for so long. So these are the 4-step process by which you can really make good leads into your particular squeeze page. So next I just wanted to quickly go into the sales page and show you what the sales page looks like. So the sales page basically is, I will show you how to get 100 plus free buyer leads per day on complete autopilot without ever having to post anywhere or use any useless traffic apps. Yes. So this is the a very good info course where you can really get 100 leads per day, and so quickly 15 minutes per day or less, get 100 plus free fresh leads per day. No content to create, no posting in social media, no uses traffic apps, no need a system that will allow you to never pay for traffic ever again. So you want to generate enough daily leads to have a laptop lifestyle and access to world-class support ready to help. So here is a bonus video also. Here you can just have a look at the bonus video at your own time, and this is the access button. The moment you want to go away from this, you're going to get a page like this which gives you a discount of 7%. So the $7. So this is the this is the in short the sales page. I just want to take you to the members area now, and I just want to give you a quick run through of what is inside the members area. So it's basically info course. I told you, a video course. So you're going to the first videos tells the basics of trading clicks or banking clicks. Video number 1. Video number how to find the click banking partners. This is your video number 2, and video number access our click banking group for free. So that's the thing. How to deal with the click banking debt. This is one thing. Video number 3. Video number 4 is click banking training, how to send clicks to click banking partners. So this is a lot of how to receive clicks from click banking partners. So the safest way to trade traffic as a beginner, very important. How to feed your lead capturing page with solo ads, and how to get your solo ads as a super discounted prices, and how to make testimonials for click banking partners, how spillover traffic works. So 4 different ways to work with rotators. So how to build a second autoresponder from your spillover traffic. And so this is the thing, guys. It's a fantastic course. Remember that you can get your solo ads as a super discounted price over here. So this is the whole course about how to build your list with a click banking partners. And of course you can find these partners right here when you buy the course. So this is it, guys. I think it's a good investment for you, this particular course. So if you're watching this video, there are 50% chance that you're not subscribed to my channel. So kindly subscribe to my channel, and also if you like the video, press the like button and share this video, and also don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I load the next video, you will be informed about it. So so thank you very much for watching, and until my next video, goodbye.